Property Management. We want to wish you the best of luck on your move and welcome you to your new home. We are pleased to have you as residents, and our main goal is to create an excellent rental experience for you. In this video, I'm going to go over everything you need to know about moving into your new home and information on using your online tenant portal. You should have accessed the home via a digital lockbox placed on the front door or near the home. Someone will stop by within 10 days to remove this lockbox from the property. As a new resident, you should have received an NV Property Management welcome bag full of goodies, as well as a property information letter detailing valuable information about your particular home. If you are unsure of anything or have additional questions, the best method of communication is via our SMS text messaging line at 251-333-0909. A member of our staff will respond to your message during our regular business hours of Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If it is after hours and you have a maintenance emergency, please call our office number at 801-337-4337 and follow the prompts to be connected to our 24/7 emergency response team. You should have received an email to sign off on your move-in inspection report. Be sure to read through the entire report, and if there are any discrepancies or additional items you would like to add, you will have the opportunity to upload your own photos and make your own notes on the report as well. Before you sign off on this move-in report, be sure to upload a picture of your key inventory sheet that has been left on the kitchen counter. If your property is equipped with a furnace, you'll be enrolled in our utility and maintenance reduction program. This will help you save up to 15% on your monthly heating and cooling bills, improve the indoor air quality in your residence, and deliver quality air filters to your front door every 90 days. All you need to do is install the filters when you receive them. A new air filter has already been placed prior to your move-in, and you should receive a new filter in the mail in approximately 90 days. We don't expect any maintenance issues, but if anything comes up during your move, the quickest way to get it resolved is by placing a maintenance request on your tenant portal. You should have activated your online tenant portal prior to your move-in date. So right now I'm going to go over your tenant portal. Okay, this is an example of your online tenant portal. So your name will be up here in the upper left, and your property address will be right here on the upper right. This is the home page. This is where most of your payments and maintenance requests and everything will be housed, and where you can look and get an overview on everything that's going on. If there's any rent due or any bills that need to be paid, it will be in this area here, and you can pay that now, or you can set up an auto payment. The auto payment is a good idea if you want to reduce the risk of late fees. Then you always know that your account will be paid in full. You can also request a maintenance request right here, and also over here under maintenance, you can also place a maintenance request there. You can see any closed maintenance requests or any open maintenance requests as well. Those will also be on the home page too. Under payments, this will kind of give you an overview of what you've paid, your past payments, your ledger, your balance, anything that you want to more details on your account for payments. And then maintenance, and then there's a contact us. This just has our contact information, another place to place a maintenance request or to request a notice to vacate. Under shared documents, this will have any information that we've shared with you, any leases that have been signed, or any documents that we have shared with you via your tenant portal. Under insurance, this is where you can purchase renter's insurance. Renter's insurance is a good idea for protecting your personal property. Property details will be under here, just the address of the property that you are renting, and then our contact information. Account profile, you can change your password and other information there. There's also a help tab if you have any further questions on your tenant portal. But like I said, most everything that you will do on your tenant portal will be on the home page. All right, that's your tenant portal. Again, we want to wish you the best of luck on your move and welcome to Envy Property Management. As always, please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.